Why did Prophet Muhammad marry many wives? The life of Prophet Muhammad, including his marriages, has often been a subject of scrutiny and misunderstanding, particularly among those with preconceived notions about Islam. Addressing such concerns requires a respectful and informative approach, focusing on historical context, religious significance, and the social norms of the time. First, let's understand the historical context. In 7th century Arabia, polygamy was a common practice. Men often married multiple wives for various reasons, including alliances, protection, and social cohesion. Prophet Muhammad's marriages must be viewed within this cultural framework. One of the key reasons for some of Muhammad's marriages was to strengthen community ties. For instance, his marriage to Juwayriya bint al-Harith helped bring her tribe, the Banu Mustalik, into the fold of Islam, easing tensions and fostering unity. These marriages were strategic, aimed at uniting different tribes and fostering peace and cooperation. Many of Muhammad's wives were widows or women in need of protection and support. His marriage to Sauda bint Zama, shortly after the death of his first wife, Khadija, is a prime example. These marriages were acts of compassion, providing these women with protection and social standing. Islam introduced significant reforms to improve the status of women, including their rights to inheritance, education, and fair treatment. Muhammad's marriages to widows and divorced women, like Zainab bint Khuzaimah and Salama, were part of these social reforms, offering them protection and elevating their status in society. His wives also played crucial roles in preserving and transmitting Islamic teachings. Aisha bint Abi Bakr, one of his most renowned wives, became a prominent scholar and Hadith transmitter, greatly contributing to the preservation and dissemination of Islamic knowledge. Their involvement was vital in educating the early Muslim community. Let's address some common misconceptions. Critics often focus on Muhammad's marriage to Aisha, who was young at the time. However, marriages at a young age were customary and socially accepted in many cultures at that time, including pre-modern Europe. Furthermore, Aisha's intelligence, strong character, and contributions to Islamic scholarship highlight the deep mutual respect and partnership in their marriage. Another point is the fair treatment of wives. The Quran explicitly instructs men to treat their wives with kindness and equity. Muhammad himself exemplified this through his respectful and caring treatment of his wives, setting a high standard for Muslim men. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, married multiple wives throughout his lifetime, each marriage serving various social, political, and compassionate purposes. Here is a list of his wives. Khadija bint Khuwailid. She was his first wife, and they were married for 25 years until her death. She bore him 6 children and was his only wife during her lifetime. Sauda bint Zama. She was a widow and Muhammad married her shortly after Khadija's death. Aisha bint Abi Bakr. She was the daughter of Abu Bakr, Muhammad's close companion. Aisha became one of the most important transmitters of Hadith. Hafsa bint Umar. She was the daughter of Umar ibn al-Khattab, another close companion of Muhammad. Zainab bint Khuzaimah, known as Mother of the Poor. Due to her charity work, she died shortly after her marriage to Muhammad. Salama bint Abi Umayyah, a widow with children, known for her wisdom and piety. Zainab bint Jahsh. She was previously married to Muhammad's adopted son, Zayd ibn Haritha. Her marriage to Muhammad was seen as a divine command to abolish the pre-Islamic custom of considering adopted sons as biological sons. Juwayriya bint al-Harith. She was a captive from the Banu Mustalik tribe. Her marriage to Muhammad led to the release of many captives from her tribe. Habiba, Ramla bint Abi Sufyan. She was the daughter of Abu Sufyan, one of Muhammad's former adversaries, and her marriage helped to reconcile relations with her father. Safiya bint Huyay. She was a Jewish captive from the Banu Qurayza tribe. Her marriage to Muhammad symbolized the integration of different communities within the Muslim Ummah. Maimuna bint al-Harith. She was his last wife, and their marriage further strengthened ties within the Muslim community. Maria al-Qibtiyya. She was a Coptic Christian slave sent as a gift by the ruler of Egypt. She bore Muhammad a son, Ibrahim, who died in infancy. Maria's status is often debated, with some considering her a wife and others considering her a concubine. Even though during his life the Prophet Muhammad married 12 wives, the number never reached 12 wives simultaneously. In conclusion, Prophet Muhammad's marriages were multifaceted and served various social, political, and religious purposes. Viewing his life through the lens of 7th century Arabian society and the transformative impact of his actions on women's rights and community cohesion provides a more nuanced understanding. It's essential to approach such topics with an open mind and recognize the profound historical, cultural, and religious context that shape these decisions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, peace be upon you.